Now my topic is smart meters. So first of all we will see what is smart meters. Smart meters or smart metering system or advanced metering infrastructure AMI refers to a system that measures, collects, monitor energy usage, provide consumption information from smart meter to electricity supplier through communication media. It is an infrastructure supporting two-way communication between smart meters to utility back-end system. The goal is to provide timely, accurate consumption data to electricity supply company and allow customers to make informed choices about energy usage. Key component of AMI includes smart meter, communication network, head-end system, meter data management and provision of consumption data monitoring for consumer. So now comes the question that by what means smart meters are to be installed. Smart meters may be incorporated in new works, during replacement of unserviceable meters in maintenance and special repairs, in electrical network at transformer, LT panels and DG sets, in solar PV plants, in water supply networks, in STPs and supplies to private parties. Before proceeding further, we will discuss why we should install smart meters instead of ordinary meters. Smart meters provide real-time reading of the consumption of energy, water as well as other parameters such as voltage, current, power factor, etc. Pattern of consumption over the time may be drawn by connecting the smart meters to a computer for a day, month or over the years. It helps in identification of leakages, theft or fault in real time, and also with advent of new provision from government like open access and IEX in electrical sector, it identifies the time slot during which the rates of power are most economical. This can drive a major change in consumption pattern. Activities like cloth washing in homes or station laundry, pumping of water can be adjusted to coincide with economical power time slot. In addition to above, following benefits are also arise from smart meters. Real-time monitoring of consumption by the user, real-time monitoring of bulk load, human error by the reader is eliminated. Now let's discuss the process of installation of smart meters. We should know that smart meters can be based on RF technology, GSM, LTE and work on intranet or internet. Considering the security aspect, RF technology and intranet based smart meters may be employed in OTMs and electric and water distribution network. In married accommodation and other location where permissible, other technologies may also be considered. Energy meters are of prepaid and postpaid types. Prepaid energy meters may be installed for private party or as per policy. Now comes the responsibility of staff or officers in installation of smart meters. In MES, electrical and water network is under supervision of AGNM. Meter reading and generation of bill is under BSO. Being dealt by two different subdivisions, it is critical to implement transparent system which measures and generate bills, eliminating any errors of network as well as reading and calculation. GE along with the station may initiate proposal of plan to replace ordinary meters with smart meters as and when replacement is required. In case of new work, smart meters may be considered for accommodation as well as supply networks. Now let's discuss what are benefits and who will benefit from this process. Smart meters enable users to track consumption in establishing trust in process of revenue collection. For MES, any leakage in form of theft, fault will be detected at early stage. Control over revenue generation, reliability and stability in electrical and water supply system for a station. Saving in tariff will further increase the revenue head funds which can be used in development of station. Thank you.